Hi guys, have you ever felt as a next gen in the family business that you spend the entire day working hard, you spend weeks working hard, but you're still at the same place? Nothing is really getting done, Small problems, recurring chaos created by your own team, could be the ecosystem, vendor ने फिर से mess up कर दिया, dispatch delay हो गया, Excel file हमारी corrupt हो गई, team ने follow up नहीं किया. If any of these sound relatable, let me tell you this is not a coincidence, guys. They keep you busy because you're not able to focus on what truly matters. And this recently came in one of my case studies in one of my consultations. And this is something that is so recurring that I thought it is must to bring each and every next gen aware of this. So most next gen leaders, they start their day with a plan. Most of my mentees, they start their days with a plan. And I urge them कि यार every Monday बैठ के अपना पूरा week का planning करें, scheduling करें और उस base पे आगे अपना setup meetings रखें. And for example, I do that for the entire month. So for example, I'm sitting while I record. Today is the 4th of this month, and I have my entire schedule. So you ask me, hey, what are you doing on the 23rd, 3 p.m. and I will tell you by looking at my calendar, this is what I'm doing, this is who I'm meeting, this is what the agenda of the meeting is, and so on. So we all start our days, we all start our weeks with this, but then these small micro fires which are not so important, they just show up. People bring that up. Now these people could be your staff, these people could be people associated with you, your service providers. And it recently got to one of my very, very important consultations meetings where we figured that they are doing it, they are putting these micro fires in your attention to move your focus from what really matters. Now hear me out completely here. For example, there's something that you are discussing, could be कि यार एक purchase order के terms and conditions पे हम बात कर रहे हैं, और purchase order के terms और conditions पे जब आप बात कर रहे हो, ideally आपकी commercial team बैठी होगी या आपकी supply chain team इसमें होंगे. तो when you are discussing this, and then this is how it unfolded. You kept on discussing, you looked at certain terms, conditions, some things was out there. Suddenly the point was deviated, and what ended up in discussion during this purchase order was the quality of packing material, how the quality of packing material is deteriorated. So now the owner of the business is now busy discussing something which sounds also important, actually urgent, कि यार packing material की quality, and वो पूरी उस quality packing material का supplier कौन है, supplier का audit किसने किया, supplier की terms and conditions क्या है, वहां तक पहुंच गया. तो जो actually मुद्दे की बात हो रही थी, जिसके अंदर हम purchase order और उसके terms and conditions, payment terms की बात कर रहे थे. So what we sensed then was that this gentleman who tried to deviate the owner could sense something getting caught, some of his wrongdoing or mischievousness, or it could be something that could just be a simple mistake. But he could perceive that mistake show up, is why he deviated the owner into something that was mundane relatively. Packing material की quality है तो we have a quality team, we have a supply chain team, we have a purchasing team who can take care of that. But to bring up that in that meeting was not relevant because the agenda of the meeting was not that. Follow up नहीं किया, तो ये होता गया, ये ना एक chaos बन जाता है फिर. तो जब ये chaos बनता है, it starts to create a false sense of importance. Now if you can relate to this false sense of importance, yeah, you started, and you have to notice this in your meetings, when you meet with your staff or your HODs and you're sitting maybe with your father or elder brother or uncles, you're all sitting and you call for a meeting, the meeting has an agenda. The moment you feel, just pay attention here, okay? Now as the next gen, you have to be intelligent here to follow the conversation. And the moment you feel that the conversation is deviating from what the agenda was supposed to be, you have to bring it back on track. Now how to do that, we'll get in that section in the next part. But before we get in that section, I'll tell you why it happens. Now why it happens is the team most of the times is scared of accountability. So then they end up deviating you, and so that eventually pass the decision. अब तो मालिक पे ही आ गया decision. इसका एक tactical reason भी हो सकता है यार कि हर चीज़ वो आप ही के अप्रूवल से करें. उससे क्या होगा, अगर आपका अप्रूवल आ रहा है उसमें, सो देन दे डोंट हैव एनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी. सर आप ही ने बोला था ये करने को, आप ही ने बोला था सप्लायर को. But what is most important and what you have to be most cautious about is the hidden patterns. Now, if it is a hidden pattern where you are noticing this in every second or third meeting, there's a way, there's an agenda, and the agenda is not being followed, and suddenly You're so off track that you started to talk about some import shipment, and now the agenda is being discussed about is stationary items key usage. Then clearly something is really off, and there are these, you have to identify these players. When I say players means आपकी टीम में ना सारे खिलाड़ी हैं, तो जो खिलाड़ी ये डिविएट कर रहा है और उसको एग्जैक्टली पता है कि किस ओनर को, किस डायरेक्टर को किस तरह में मिनी फायर में बिजी कर सकता हूँ, तो वो आपको बिजी इसलिए रखते हैं ताकि आप कंफ्यूज रहें, और आप कंफ्यूज रहें और आप कंट्रोल में रहें. सो दिस इज देयर वे ऑफ बीइंग नॉट आस्किंग देम फॉर देयर अकाउंटेबिलिटी. नाउ स्टे विद मी हियर बिकॉज नाउ आई विल टॉक अबाउट द डैमेज, द रियल डैमेज. द रियल डैमेज इज योर टाइम. द रियल डैमेज इज you're losing your focus. You don't have time to talk about strategy, about big picture thinking, about team building, about long-term innovation, because you are now solving mini fires. You are busy solving small things that any person with a lesser number of experience or no stake in the company could do, because that is why you hired them to do. Their job is to solve these small problems. But for them, if you notice, to bring up these problems on your table could be deviation, okay? So be very careful here. Now, before I get further and tell you how exactly to spot it further and look out for the red flags, I would like to invite you for a free brainstorming call. Now you can book an appointment by WhatsApping me on the number in the description below, and I'm also advising bridging the gap between the next generation and previous generation. And उसमें क्या होता है कि we set up an engagement in your office, in your factory, in your workspace, wherever you are, and the whole idea is I am India's #1 family business coach for the next generation. I share what is not taught in the best business schools. I've done tons of workshops, I've read hundreds of books, and my whole intention here is for you to save your time and money, and don't knock on those doors that will not lead you anywhere. So if you want to get in touch with me, WhatsApp me on the number given below. Now let's get right on to the red flag to look out for. Do you find yourself approving everything? Or does your team come to you only when things go wrong? Do you feel like the only person responsible? Do you hear yourself saying a lot of times, if I don't do it, nothing will get done? If your business collapses when you don't touch it for a couple of days, it's a pressure cooker. Now what happens is, अगर वो आपको कंट्रोल में रखना चाह रहे हैं और ये वो इंटेलिजेंट लोग हैं जिनको अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं देनी अपने काम की, तो आइडियली आप जब उनसे पूछते हो ना कि तेरे ये KRAs हैं, these are your KPIs, what has been up with you, they will slyly redirect you to a problem that you didn't even know that existed. And this person knows that ये बंदे को इस प्रॉब्लम से इतना लगाव है, इमोशनल लगाव है, कि ये उस पर टाइम लगाएगा, और जैसे ही उस पर टाइम लगाएगा उतने में आप निकल गए. I'll give you another example. This happened in one of my another consultations where this was the CFO, okay? Now the father of the, the head, or I think this was a Tayaji. I think it was a Tayaji, okay? So it's the Tayaji, the set business. This is what the business setup looks like. The Tayaji, the elder. So there's 2 brothers in the Upar wala generation. And then each of these brothers, one of them has 2 sons, and the younger one has a son and a daughter. दोनों के बड़े बड़े बेटे अब बिजनेस में आ गए. So now the Tayaji, and we're all in a meeting room, and the Tayaji is explaining how, in one of the conversations with the CFO here, they are discussing, certain funds planning. Okay, they are investing in a new unit, and then there's all kinds of, investment required, machinery required, and they started coming towards a corner where there was a big, I won't call a blunder, but a sort of a mistake that the finance guy or the CFO missed to mention. And in that meeting, this guy has the audacity to show up the younger brother's son's credit card bills. So imagine the trajectory of the meeting. He knows exactly, अब ये personal politics है, ठीक है, ये आपस में. अब ताया जी को, उसको पता है ताया जी के बटन कैसे दबाने. तो उसने क्या किया, उसने ताया जी को मेंशन कर दिया कि आपके छोटे भाई के बच्चे का तो क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल बहुत आया है सर, इसमें फंड्स कैसे जमा करें हम, इसका कैसे, हाउ, वेयर, नो, व्हाट ही सेड वाज, इसको हम कैसे, किस हेड में डालेंगे खर्चों को. टू व्हिच द एंटायर डिस्कशन नाउ बिकम्स अबाउट हाउ द younger owner's son is spending lavishly on parties, and then the elder owner's son starts talking, and then there's a conflict in the meeting room while they are discussing about a new project altogether where there's crores of money involved. So you get the point here. And I was just observing, okay? I was observing who's saying what, and this is what my job is, to help them identify. And then, if you would like to know how we resolve this case, again, you can connect me on WhatsApp. It was a beautiful case study. In fact, this is something that really excites me, when I am sitting in a closed room with these top stakeholders and they have so much baggage against each other or for each other that they can't go beyond what is really going on. It's like, wearing rose colored tinted glasses, so everything I see is rose colored, and that's how they are looking at each other with their personal, previous experiences. So our job as the next generation is to break this cycle. We have to push back on the low value decisions. We have to identify, we have to be intelligent enough कि ऐसा कोई अगर deviation या distortion या disturbance आ रहा है that loses our focus on what really the goal is. We have to simply keep it for later. So in this scenario, what would have made sense is when this Tayaji would have told the CFO, we will talk about this in a separate meeting. This is not the agenda of this meeting. The agenda of this meeting is this new setup, this new project. We'll stick to that. Let's talk about those numbers. And this guy, since he's working with them for 25 years, he knew exactly how to derail the entire conversation. So the next gen's job is not to run fast on the same treadmill, okay? So step back, redesign the machine, and if you would like helping in any kind of help in redesigning your machinery, make everyone run better, do get in touch with me. Comment below, share this with someone you think would make sense with. Share this with your father, share this with your brother, share this with the elders in the business, and I look forward to seeing you in person someday. Bye.